So I'm also looking at something else here. If it got up here and walked on these trees, there's a damaged spot right there. I'm trying to make sure I'm on it. There's a damaged spot right there that where it could have stepped and just damaged the tree right there. With them as heavy as they are, they could easily damage the tree right there. And too, there's a couple things here that's catching my attention too. This is broke off. That was sticking up like that, and that's broke off. And then the way that's damaged right there. Oh wow, look at that. That's in the shape of a foot. And that's really soft. Hey, y'all want to come look at this? Hey, Joey. When that looks like a footprint. I'm pretty sure it came right over here and traveled on these trees. I got a footprint right here on the tree itself.
I was just there. Are you saying I missed it?
Look at this. Because this is soft.
Yeah.
And I noticed this is broke. This was up here like that.
Mm-hmm.
And that's broke off. And then it looks like this is damaged. This is in the shape of a foot right there. The heel stands out really good. And then where the toes would have been up here. Like it just crushed it down. Because this tree is rotted. And then there's a spot up there too that looks like it damaged it as it was going across. I was noticing this is broke off. Because it was up here like that.
Right.
And then this is damaged. There's a good footprint right there.
Yeah.
Because this tree is rotted. It's soft. So the weight of it pushed in right there.
Hold on.
That looks like a good footprint. And then there's another spot up there that looks like where it stepped and crushed part of the tree as it was going.
So behind us is a broken tree and a footprint. And you're saying there's a footprint there?
There's the footprint right there. Yeah. Because that's this is really soft. It's rotted. It crushed down the tree right there. It broke this off. This would have been right there. It broke that off. And it did damage some of this as it went. But there's a good footprint right there. That's a left footprint. It's a left footprint. It stands out pretty good. And then right down there's a spot where it crushed part of the tree as it went.
Right down there where it broke off, maybe whipped off. But it looked like it went off into the swamp.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good eyes.
There's two footprints back there, and the little limbs broken. Rope's going this direction.
It definitely looks like a track way back there is where the footprint is. The break.
Huh.
Come right through here. Hopped up on the tree.
I've heard of people seeing them standing up on stuff like this too, watching them. I figured they travel on them.
That's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
So that was a footprint.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
It does look like a natural bridge, and I made a joke about that coming up here.
Mm-hmm.
So basically there's this tree here. Looks like it heads deeper into the swamp.